Hope you all are doing well. So in today's lecture I'm going to tell you how to launch an app which is installed on an iOS simulator device by using Appium and Ruby code. So I have installed an app called TestApp on my iOS 8 device, iPhone 8 device on platform version 13.6. So this is my app. If you don't know how to install an app on iOS simulator, you can follow my video how to install an app on iOS simulator. Now we are starting with our code. So first of all, we need to include a gem called appium_library, which will help Ruby to communicate with the Appium server. After that, we need to pass some capabilities. This capability is very important. On this basis only, Appium server find out which device you want to communicate or which device you want to stabilize the connection. So in my case, I have installed my app on iPhone 8 device with version 13.6. So these are all few mandatory capabilities which you need to pass in order to launch your app on device. So first is the platform name. Since we are doing on an iOS device, so it will be iOS. Platform version, if you can see, my version is 13.6, so I am passing 13.6. The device name is the device where you install your app. For in my case, it is iPhone 8. Now the most important thing is bundleId. BundleId is basically your app executable file. So on this basis only it will launch your app. Now how to get the bundleId? The most important question. So what you have to do, the app which you install on this device, you need to go to the app file where you kept. In my case, I kept this app file in my download. Just right click on this, so package content. After that, you need to go to the double click on this file called info plist. So if you can see, there is a field called bundle identifier. So you need to get the value of this bundle identifier and you need to pass it to this capability. So in my case, it is io.appium.TestApp. So same thing I passed here. After this, these are all the common things, like this is the Appium server URL. So by default it is always launch on port 127 with port ID 4723. 127 is the host ID. Now I'll show you like how it will work. So in order to run this Ruby file, I will open terminal. Just I need to write Ruby and this file. So this file is available yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot to start Appium server. So these are things you need to always make sure, like whenever running any scenario, your Appium server should be started. Now I started my Appium server. Yeah, it's up and now ready for run. Now I'm running it again. See, it has launched my app. Now after this, I have written code to enter some value in first text box and second text box. After that, I'm clicking on compute sum. So this way you can launch your app. You can work with it. See, hope you liked it and find it simple. Thank you.